back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over with you guys on the market. I'm going to go over exactly what kind of momentum we have at this point in time. We did have a major spike out the gate after bad CPI reports, and then we did continue on down at the end of the day. Again, we did have bond auctions. The market wasn't pretty happy about that, and we did continue on down on a possible gap filler, and we could be possibly bouncing back going into tomorrow. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're looking for to bounce back from here, and what exactly we're looking for to have a continuation up if we do continue on down, how exactly I would be playing into this. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button, and I do welcome you to the Instables room in the description below. I mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. Any halts worth looking at throughout the day, or any major breakout alerts worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart with you guys here on the SPY. This is the S&P 500, so you guys can see exactly what kind of momentum we do have at this point in time. We either do have a possible double top, we have a possible bear flag here, or we do have a possible bounce back if we do respect these levels. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for to have a bounce back. Now, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, most breakouts have been pre-market news and open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Nobody cares as much as I do to get these major breakouts in front of you. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. Now, as you guys can see here, we do have our 20-day moving average below our 50, and we have been having a lot of consolidation within leading into Powell. So in my opinion, we could still continue on up even with a negative CPI report. If we do continue to respect this 20-day moving average, then we will continue on up. Now, I'm going to jump into the 5-minute chart so I can show you guys exactly how I would short this, and in my opinion, what exactly would be the stronger move here. As you guys can see, we do have about a 447.25, 447.50 level, a weaker support that we did bounce from previously. And as you guys can see, we also did have a continuation from this level. As you guys can see, we did continue on down multiple times from this level. This is a lighter support that we are looking to see if we can hold. And if we do continue to hold, then we could continue on up. Again, we did have this large red candle, but we also did have this large green candle. We could just be mirroring one and the other and just looking to see if we can find that indecisiveness to possibly have that bull run that we're looking for. As you guys can see, we have a large green candle coming at the end of the day. And now jump into extended hours real quick so you guys can see on the 5-minute, we did have a little bit of a pullback, but we are still respecting this level here at about 447.50. If we do drop down below 447.50, then we could be testing our previous lows here at 443. This is a very key level. I'm going to jump back to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly how I would be playing to this. So as you guys can see, if we do continue on down below 443, then I would be playing a short here. Again, I would be playing puts here to continue on down. I'm going to jump back to the 5-minute real quick so you guys can see exactly how I played into yesterday's put into CPI. I did buy right before going into extended hours. As you guys can see, we had this major pullback, and this was exactly why I was really happy today that I did sell this as soon as I possibly can, so that way I did not catch this on the way up. And I did play puts on every single spike on the way down actually here on the SPY, but I did not play puts at the end of the day. As you guys can see, we were consolidating, and we did have that increase in buy pressure that was showing us some strength, showing us that we still could hold levels. So I didn't want to play puts at that point in time, but looking for those major reactions just like we do for any major breakout or penny stock or mid-cap stock that we mentioned in the Instables room is exactly what we're looking for every single day. And I will continue to go over more of my option plays on my channel. I haven't been doing that much. I want to talk to you guys more about what I do for options so you guys can see exactly what I'm playing into. Now, to recap with you guys real quick on the 4 hours, as you guys can see, again, we do have our bear flag, or we are looking to see if we can respect this 20-day moving average going to tomorrow. If we cannot respect it and we cannot hold our 443 level, again, we do have a lighter 447.25, 447.50 level that we are trying to hold. But if we cannot hold level, then in my opinion, there is no surprise that we do test 443. And again, my play would be looking for that bearish momentum, that possible continuation down, that increase in sell pressure, looking for that continuation on down if we do have a possible spike down to our previous levels, which in my opinion, we could have multiple bounces from an intraday perspective here. So we will continue to stay strong. So again, making sure we do stay focused on our market momentum is going to stay very key in the Instables room. And again, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert. Again, and all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.